Welcome back to my channel. My name is Celeste. If you don't know, I am today doing a makeup tutorial inspired by Euphoria. Euphoria is a television show. Honestly, I've never seen the show. I've been debating on watching it because it seems like a very controversial show, but everyone seems to really be liking it, and I kind of want to give it a try, so I'm gonna be watching that. But I kind of want to do something. I've seen everyone doing their own looks with it. Desi did their own look, other people did their own look, so I mean, I want to do something very similar but kind of my flair to it. It's more purpley, but I did make it more pinkish to it, and then did the stones, did the liner, and did a nice pair of wispy lashes with it. And then I just did a pink, corally pink lip with some lip gloss on top of it. I couldn't decide on the lip color for this look. I was gonna do a nude, but I want to do kind of a pinkish nude, so I did this look with it. I've actually never tried this lipstick. It's my first time trying it. It was the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. It's in the color Babe Alert. Right here, I got this in Ipsy. Haven't tried it yet. So color looks pretty though, so I just slapped it on. And I actually kind of really like how this look came out. What do you guys think? But I love playing with stones. My last two looks had stones, so very similar to this look actually, so I was like, it's up my alley. So I really wanted to recreate it, and I really like it, honestly. I keep staring at myself in the mirror, honestly. I like love this eyeshadow look so much that I'm thinking of literally recreating it and wearing it to work tomorrow because I am loving it. Oh, I have my little scrunchies in here, so I didn't know what to do with my hair. My hair is such a puffy mess. I have so much hair, but I honestly don't know how to do my own hair, so I just kind of did these little pigtails to do something with my hair, and did it with these scrunchies, these cute little scrunchies. They like kind of go with the shifting theme with it. I know I like them, they're cute, so.
Eventually,
we should be closer than friends. If you OPN and take that high road and hop in. Open up, you OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN. Open up, you OPN.
So I originally wanted to do this as a talk through, but I'm filming with my fiance watching the 100 right here, so he's not in here right now, but that's why I'm not doing a talk through. I really wanted to do a talk through. I don't know how I feel about this as a setting powder. I'm trying it honestly for the first time.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN,
I think I kind of messed up my makeup.
the doors OPN. Take that high
So I'm just taking my bare minimals right here, my invisible light translucent powder, and I'm just taking the matte instead of the shining one, and just kind of setting my face around the areas I know that will kind of move if I don't set. I actually keep doing that, but I detail it, honestly. I don't want like a big fluffy brush to kind of put a bunch of product on it, so very little brush. I need some water. It still has water. I need to fix my eyebrows because my eyebrows kind of got a little messed up. My eyebrows got a little messed up when I was applying foundation.
Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't be BM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't be BM. We should be closer than friends.
This purple and this pink together to darken more inward. Crease. And then mix these two colors. The thing is like more of a lavender pinkish purple kind of look. I'm just gonna go over and buff that here, and then I'm gonna go back into the lavender and then buff that up. Now we're going to go back into the lavender shade and kind of blend that out so it's not as harsh around the edges here. So you do want to keep it very fluid and blend it out very nicely. So see, when I blend my looks, I blend into my arm hurts. Blend. It takes forever to do a look, being really precise and really blending, but the end results are very well. I feel blessed that honestly I have such a huge lid space to pour the color and to really be able to blend up like this. Oh, my arm hurts. Oh, where did I left my water out there, didn't I? Almost like, where's my water at? Not there. I'm gonna have to go grab it. Bro, I carry this with me everywhere. Literally, like, I take this to work with me every day. It holds like two bottles of water in here. I drink straight water all the time. I barely drink any soda. I only drink juice for dinner. trying to stay healthy a little bit that way, but I gotta cut back a lot of other shit too. Not just what I drink, but a flat brush like this, the synthetic flat brush. Isn't it cute? Isn't it cute? A unicorn theme. I love it. Anyway, okay, so I'm gonna take. I was looking at the colors that I have here, kind of match it. This one has really of a blue tone, which kind of goes with my look, but I feel like it's too blue. I kind of want it to be more goldish. So I think I'm gonna use this one right here. So this is the 𝓒𝓮𝓵𝓮𝓵 Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. Now this is the shade. Don't know the shade. I will figure the shade somehow, but I'm gonna do that right in the center area. Like so, and then I'm just gonna kind of pat and spread that. And I'm not gonna wipe it because if I wipe it, it's a really thin formula. So if I wipe it, it's gonna mess up. So I kind of want to pat it in and kind of move it that way, and then kind of add more as I go. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPEN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Pretty, yes, bitch. Yes, bitch. Mine's a little more intense, but it's pretty, isn't it? Alright, so I'm gonna go back into the palette. Do a wing liner. This is honestly the blackest eyeliner I have. It is by ColourMate and it's a liquid eyeliner. Honestly, I cannot do it. I like it like that on camera, but we're going to attempt this. The doors OPEN. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPEN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The doors OPN. Take the high road and hop in. You should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she said that she the loneliest. Says it's hard to open up. Open you up like a pop. These are the Ardell's. These are the Ardell's right here. The 160s. Very light. I haven't tried these before, so I want to see how they look because I want to buy some of these for my kid. So I want to see how they perform before I use them. My tweezers literally has like gems all over it from the last look I did with gems. Probably gonna have some gems from this look too. Left all of it. Alright, so I'm gonna use my normal lash glue, the Kiss Strip Glass Adhesive with aloe vera clear to apply it right on the band. Bro, I love this lash glue so much. Like, I don't know, sometimes it's like 𝓒𝓮𝓵𝓮𝓼𝓽𝓮 and sometimes maybe it's just how I apply it, and it's probably just me because this lash is this glue is 𝓒𝓮𝓵𝓮𝓼𝓽𝓮. I literally went to the fair, or false lashes to the fair, this lash glue on, and I was playing guys that were so fast that I thought they were gonna rip my eyelashes off. My lashes were bomb. They stayed on. Not a worry in the world. None. So, alright, let's
take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up. Open, open. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. Open up. You OPN. Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you on my agenda.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video today, and if you guys liked it, please like and hit the subscribe button down below so that way you know whenever I post anything and can stay up to date. And check out my Instagram. My Instagram will be in the description down below, or if I post this on my Instagram, you'll see a hi from Instagram. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys later, my celestials. Bye.